Welcome back to another video. Today we're kind of putting this thing back to a full interior, since that one's totaled and that one's getting scrapped. This is now my daily, so I need a back seat and other stuff so I can be able to put the kids in it and whatnot. I was going to get the factory headlights, but the two that were at the junkyard I went to, one of them, both were gone. The other one only had the driver's side. I was going to grab some factory taillights too, but I forgot to take the little 6mm Allen wrench up to take the bumper off to get to the bracket that holds it underneath. So I couldn't get the factory ones out, and I don't really feel like going back up there right now. And these work fine. It's more so the headlights that I really wanted to swap out, but they didn't have a full set. So now to look at everything I got. Got a little bit. So I got both of the say we're gonna just call them door cards for the back seat to cover up all the wiring and everything for the seat belts and all that stuff. Obviously got the back seat that needs to be cleaned up like crazy, but we'll get to that. Got a new dash piece for the passenger side here, so I actually have vents. Got a new vent for the piece by the radio, because that one's broken. I got the lower trim pieces there. Obviously passenger seat belt, because this one doesn't have one right now, because obviously it was being stripped down to be used as parts for that or to replace that, but we're just not doing that at this point in time. So I'm gonna get all this cleaned up and then we'll get it all put in here. It's not really too hard of a process. The main thing I need to do is unbolt this seat so I can get to this bolt here that holds the seat belt on, as there's just not enough space in between here to get that bolt in, and a wrench, or a ratchet I should say. A wrench I could probably do, but a ratchet doesn't fit. And then yeah, we'll get this all vacuumed up, get all the crap out from underneath where everything's being bolted in at, and go from there. So I'll bring you back in. I don't know if I'll show much of the cleaning process. Maybe I'll time lapse it. I don't know yet, but okay, well, everything is pretty well cleaned up. It's not perfect, but I'm not going for perfect. I'm going for relatively presentable. Rear seat's still pretty disgusting, but I'm not too worried about it. A toddler or child seat's going to go on one side, and the other side's probably never really going to get used anyways. So really just something to put back there so I can put a child seat back there for one of the kids. So now we're gonna start getting it all put in the car. We actually had to go back to the junkyard because my genius self forgot to get the brackets to hold the seat back in. But as you can see, got the seat in, Got the trim panels there. We got new door seals on. Well, not new, but the ones I grabbed from the junkyard. It's lower trim panel here on both sides. I need to figure out what's going on with this seat belt because it's locked. I think I just locked it up when I was getting in and out of the car so much. And then grab some factory tail lights to get rid of. Let me head over here. See if I can find one of them. These things here that were on the car when I bought it. They're not horrible, but I just prefer the factory. Got some new factory tail lights, and then I also got a set of headlights as well. Got two others over here. These are the factory ones from the SI. I grabbed another passenger side one. That's a driver's side. The other passenger one I got is a clear corner instead of an amber corner. So I'm going to try and make two of these three work to put on the car. As you can see, this one's got some stuff here. I don't know if that's on the inside or the outside, but I will find out when I start sanding it. And then I got some clear coat. I'm actually going to clear coat them instead of doing like a ceramic wipe, because obviously clear coat will last a lot longer than a ceramic wipe. So I'm going to get to sanding these things down, and I'll bring you in after I clear them to see how it turns out.